Hello and welcome back. Today's question is how can I make money online in Europe? There are several ways to do that, of course, and there are many ways to do it. So I would like to have your help with that and leave some tips and hints in the comments so that we can all benefit from that together. Today's January the 3rd, 2020. I've got six subscribers so far, so thank you very much for joining me, George and Cheryl, who came in last. Thank you very much. I would really appreciate if you would help me clicking that link, subscribe, and get some more viewers, and spread the word about how we can work together to make some money online. First of all, of course, my niche is going into Forex. That's my thing. The trading Forex is for beginners. It's very difficult to start up, but once that's a talent that you really have, you can really make some money on that. But that's not for everyone. I have to be honest about it. Of course, there's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to market whatever product, and you get a commission based on that. That's not for everyone as well. What you can do actually is that has helped me a lot personally. What you can do is very simple. I'm not sure what your situation is, but the most easy way to make money online is to write a course, or a book, whatever you can do. It doesn't have to be like a very complicated thing to do. Actually, it's not not difficult at all. Excuse me. But when you write a course and you are very experienced in the one area, for example, in my case, Forex trading, I'm actually writing a course, and you can actually sell that course online by starting a YouTube channel and put it in the link in the description, or leave your email so that people can contact you. What I'm also doing is writing on Quora, and I've got about I think 250,000 readers in total now. So that has helped me to sell a few courses, and those people are actually trading with me right now in my trading team, and they're all on their way up to 350,000 trading for themselves. So that's going very well. And of course, what you can do as well is create a YouTube channel and help people, like I try to help you, with your specific area. So maybe you're a carpenter or a bricklayer or whatever. Maybe you're a welder. And you can actually make a channel on what you do for a living, or what your hobby is. Making a vlog is not really helping anyone, but because let's be honest, people are not too much interested in your life. They have their own. But to start up at least, and but you can do something about your profession, and you can do something about your hobbies, or maybe you're a fan of fishing or hunting or whatever, or collecting stamps, I don't know. But you can actually make a channel based on that, and you can actually try to gather some subscriptions and get a nice group of steady viewers. So that's what I'm trying to do here as well. So those are a few simple ways to make money online, and those are actually working. So I would really like to have your help with getting me there with my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and help me there, and please leave the comments on how we can make money in a very simple way by just acting on the markets in Europe. The thing that we have problems with in Europe, in comparison with the United States, for example. In Europe, we have very small countries, Like you have in the United States, you have all kinds of states, but basically in every state you can talk American English. So that's something that we have not, that we cannot do here. Our audiences are very small, based upon what you have in the United States, for example. Like if you go from Great Britain, you have English, of course. Then if you go to Sweden, Norway, Finland, they're all different languages. You have Denmark, you have Germany, you have Holland, Belgium, France, Spain. They're all different languages. Of course, Russia is Poland and Russia is Czechoslovakia. Those are countries that are all different languages. We do not most we do not speak each other's language, but the Dutch actually speak several languages mostly. They try to they at least can understand English and German for the most part, French as well sometimes. So that's something that we have here. So our audiences are very small in comparison to the United States. So that's why it's more difficult to actually make some money online in Europe. But of course you can do some affiliate marketing, start your YouTube channel, and of course I should actually do my channel in a different language as well. Maybe I'll do that in the future. But for now, the biggest audience is still English. So I'm actually at least trying to speak a second language, and that's English to me, as you can hear. So I'm really trying to catch up. So those are the few things that you can do. You can go start trading online. That's something that you can do without having to meet people or going out meeting people, or you can actually do that from your living room, and you can actually trade online through your computer. You can do some affiliate marketing, as I said. You can write a course in education on a topic that you are familiar with, and help other people get to where you are in a quicker way. For example, I did 30 years of Forex trading by now, so you can understand that if I write a course, people will really benefit from that, as I know what works and what doesn't work. I can really help as a mentor, and writing a course and help people in person, like through this channel. That I have some experience in that area. I can tell you what works and what doesn't. So, and of course, YouTube channel. So day 3, January 3, 3 subscribers went to 6. So it's going very well for the third day as a new startup. 6 subscribers so far. Please help me to get up to a lot more. And let's see where we are at the end of January. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, click that bell, because you'll get a notification as soon as my new video comes up. And please leave a comment on how we can make some money together online in a reasonable way. So I would appreciate that very, very much. Thank you very much. See you next time.